What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're headed to Amarillo Dragway today, so you know what that means. We're finally getting to make some more passes again. Not in my car, of course. It's not ready yet, but I'm going to be tuning on my good friend Brennan's car. I made a video on it not too long ago, the Black Fox body on methanol. We ran into quite a few issues the last time out. That was the first time out this year with a whole bunch of new parts, so we're going to be testing a bunch of changes that we made. Tighten the converter, fix the fuel pump hopefully, and quite a few other little things. Anyways, I think there's going to be some other pretty fast cars there, some real nice cars. Joseph Young with his brand new Fox body build. I think this is going to be the first time that he's testing that, so we'll see if we can get a little bit of video of that as well. So anyways, see you guys there and take you guys along for the ride, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. He didn't want to lift. Alright guys, so that did not go as planned. As you can see, we're going to make some suspension changes as recommended. I feel like it's going to need a little bit more, probably some bar changes and some more shock changes, but we're going to try something we got suggested for now and see how that goes, and we'll go from there. So hopefully this pass will be a little bit better. I'm going to lift a little bit earlier if it does get out of shape. Last pass was definitely a little bit sketchy, as you've seen, getting a little bit too close to getting to a wall there. So we're just testing, so no need to push anything real hard. So we'll see how this one goes. Guys, so last pass didn't work either. It shook real hard, so we're making a bar change real quick. As you can see, we definitely had it too aggressive, we think, so we're making some changes, and we'll try it out with the same shock settings and see how it goes. Alright guys, we borrowed some tools from Streetcar Joe, his car right here, super nice Fox body. We changed the bar angle a little bit, so shout out to Joe. I'll put his Instagram. We'll try again and see what happens.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It didn't leave like a 4-wheel drive.
Alright guys, last pass we had it turned up a little bit too much, so we're just going to turn it down some. The track's kind of going away. It's not the greatest. It's pretty hot out here. The sun's out, as you can see, real bright. The track temp was way too high to really be putting much power down, so we're just going to turn it down some and see if we can at least make an A to B pass. We kind of had it turned up too much on the first one. We were expecting it to be a little bit better, but that's all right. We'll at least got some data. The converter seems to be acting a lot better, so we've got a good start at least, and at least some more data to go off of. I think we got the suspension a lot closer to where it needs to be now, so we're going to make a few little changes and turn it down and go see if we can make another pass. Make sure you guys go check out David Van Voorst's channel if you haven't already. You can see more of Streetcar Joe's car there, a lot about the build and some driving on the street and all that. So anyways, we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, so we decided to make another pass. We're going to do a little time slip grudge race. They won't let us do side-by-side passes right now. We're going to do a little time slip grudge race, including the reaction time, just whoever goes quicker with Streetcar Joe over here that trailered his streetcar to...
I'll drop it out here if you want me to.
Oh, okay. No. First time out with a new car though, so obviously going to trailer it, even though it's 5 miles from his house. But he's about to go first and see what he can run, and then we'll compare time slips, and whoever went the quickest, I think it was $100 a side, so whoever went the quickest gets $200. So cool little fun little deal to do, at least while we're out here. You know, can't quite do racing, but we can get close to it at least while we're out here. And the clouds come over a little bit, so track should be a little bit cooler, so maybe we can go a little bit quicker, but still it's kind of getting torn up pretty bad. It's the first time that the track's been ran on this year, so probably needs a little bit of work still, but still at least we get to race better than sitting at home. So
Give two shits about Jack and his friends.
Try and fill in the holes.
Just trying to find a groove.
Yeah. Looked like a pretty good pass.
Reaction time.
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome.
Don't sleep.
You spray it like that for you too, Brennan?
Huh?
Spray it like that?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right, so Joseph made his pass. Looked like a pretty good pass, probably one of his best passes of the day. So we'll see if we can beat that. They just sprayed the track for us too, so. That looked fast. That wasn't an 80.
680?
Yeah.
It was a 680. I just got it hooked up. No, it's all the clouds. Man. Like this track temperature.
That looked like it was probably your best pass of the day.
What?
Sounds like he made a pretty good hit, so we'll see if we can compete with that. It's the same tune. It really is. It really is. Well, no, I turned the bump down because it was too aggressive, so he didn't freaking screw up his line. Dump, yeah. Yeah. I don't know why he did that.
Yep. Which weird, like my radials just went down it.
And that was the same. That literally was the same. Like I didn't.
Put the rubber back down.
Here, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably going 140 mile an hour right there. Yeah. I seen it hit second. All right, guys. I'm not sure if I did any videoing after that last pass. Obviously, it didn't go as planned. The tune-up didn't change at all from the pass before, so not really sure why it decided to just blow the tires off right off the hill like that. We definitely got some chassis issues that we need to get figured out. I think we're gonna ask some people that know a little bit more about it and see, if we can bring someone in to help out a little bit. I'm pretty decent with the radial stuff. That's kind of the stuff that I prefer, but the slicks and not the greatest track prep and stuff like that is kind of a whole new thing to me. So we need to get that figured out, and then we'll really be able to make some progress with the car. But still pretty good. I think we had one of the faster passes of the day, if not the fastest. So not bad. We just have some consistency issues and just can't seem to get it to do what we wanted to do all the time. And got to see Joseph Young's new car, Streetcar Joe, on Instagram. Go check him out. It's a super nice car, and it was running pretty good, especially for his first outing. It was real good, and obviously he won that little time slip shootout we had right there. So good job to him, and that's a beautiful car. You guys definitely need to check it out. David Van Boris has some videos on it on his channel, as I mentioned earlier. But anyways, I'm headed home. Had to grab some Whataburger on the way out of town. And I don't know if you guys know the struggle of living in a small town where there's not any half-decent fast food. You got to take advantage of little trips out of town where places have some better options. So got some Whataburger, headed home, and yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.